Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 176. This is for one box of Series 1 Retail 2021 and it ended January 19, 2020. It is box 10 of 16, all from the same case. We're looking for some big hits. They are due. The teams went cheap tonight, guys. Get in. There's still some big cards in here. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL teams, and we will show that before we open up the box, so you know we are opening the box we said we would. For the new guys, just in case you don't know what a box break is, AP Newfie owns Anaheim and Minnesota. He will only get the cards from Anaheim and Minnesota. There might not be any cards from these two teams, and AP Newfie will not be getting any cards from this break. He did pay 50 cents shipping and 50 cents shipping. He does not get his 50 cents shipping back, just because there's so many cards that need to be shipped out from with this product. It's a group break. It helps claw back some of the fees. I want to thank everybody for paying so quickly so we can get the breaks out the same night. That's how we do it. You bid, you pay, we break. Let's get to it. AP Newfie does own the Anaheim Ducks and the Minnesota Wild. Sinmel Zero owns the Sabres. Giovanni 7464 owns the Rangers. Hard Hitter 1976 has the Leafs. Jacob B has Detroit Red Wings and the Florida Panthers. Jadot 564 has the Flames. JPJ 1221 has the Jackets and the Knights. Marie Laure has the Dallas Stars. Nuxelkman has the Senators, the Flyers, and the San Jose Sharks. Pistachio has the Blues, the Lightning, the Canucks, and the Winnipeg Jets. Rebbum 3 has the Carolina Hurricanes and the Blackhawks. Step 96 has the Oilers and the Canadiens. Strobit 74 has the Coyotes. System Chaos DT has the Devils, the Penguins, and the Washington Capitals. TLC YC 82 has the Bruins. Trelaz has the Colorado Avalanche. Walters Garage has the New York Islanders. Rounding us out, WDD JSS has the Kings and the Nashville Predators. So let's remember that serial number, 41981, as we switch to the webcam. And let's show that and get this out of the way. 41981, as promised, as advertised, as we are delivering. Good luck. And tomorrow night we are going with box 11 from Series 1, a little bit earlier than usual because we are premiering artifacts. So we're doing a double box break tomorrow. So get in your spots. We are doing Series 1 Retail, this case here, number 11, and artifacts tomorrow night, which is our debut, is a release date. I do not have the product in hand. We will be opening up a fresh master on video and taking out one box, and that is the box we will break because I can't post a serial number as I do not have the product in hand. Let's get to it. Good luck, everybody. And again, these went for cheap tonight. Get in while you can. Our first hit is a canvas for your Montreal Canadiens. Not bad. Carey Price. I like the way that's starting off. Young Gun incoming for your Dallas Stars, Thomas Harley. Okay, nice start to this box. All base. Canvas for your Washington Capitals. They lost a heartbreaker tonight against Pittsburgh. Jacob Vrana for your Washington Capitals. Sidney Crosby scored an overtime winner. It's good to have hockey back. Young Guns incoming for your New York Islanders. Kiefer Bellows. Nice hit for the New York Islanders. All base. all base. I'll go through them again just to make sure, but there are some dead packs. Upper Deck Portraits for your Ottawa Senators, Rookies version, Josh Norris. Nice hit for Ottawa. Scored a goal tonight too. Oh, I thought that was going to be a card, but it's just a portrait version. That Kirby Doc card always throws me for a loop. Always thinks it's something special, but it's not. Portraits for your Vegas Knights, Marc-Andre Fleury. Young Guns for your New York Rangers, Alex Lafreniere and Kravtsov. Nice hit for the Rangers. That is one Young Gun we haven't gotten yet, so maybe it comes in droves. Who knows? Young Gun incoming for your Vancouver Canucks. Not bad. Michael DiPietro. Nice hit for the Canucks. Canvas for your LA Kings, Dustin Brown. Jersey for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Chris Letang. Canvas, not a Young Gun. I was hoping it'd land on a Young Gun. Nikita Gusev for your Devils. Another jersey. I don't understand why they put two, but I like it. Alexander Barkov for your Florida Panthers. An all base pack. That hockey pad looks like it's an insert, but it's not. We are due at least one Young Gun. Young Gun incoming for your Winnipeg Jets, Mikhail Burden. Nice hit for the Jets. Not sure where we are on the Young Gun hit count, but hopefully we can get one more. Young Gun incoming for your Arizona Coyotes, Victor Soderstrom. Not bad. We still have the potential of hitting a canvas version of it, but we'll see. Portraits for your San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture. So remember, guys, we are going a little bit earlier with Series 1, and then Artifacts right after. So pick up your teams. Still very cheap. Portraits for your Colorado Avalanche, Cale Makar. 2 packs to go. Dazzler coming up for your Vegas Knights, Mark Stone. Final pack. Thanks, everybody. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Another Dazzler For your Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. And there you have it. Congrats, everybody. I'll get these packaged up. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night for both Series 1 and Artifacts.